Nefarious is tricking you. He wants you to destroy the entire tricking.
Oh, that's right. You know everything.
Uh-oh.
Hey, why don't we all just listen to Ratchet?
Rat, look out! Oh dear.
Buzzblades? I taught you better than that. Hey,
Look out! Oh my.
Cadet.
Captain On behalf of the Galactic Rangers, I'm placing you under arrest.
Oh, you can't do that. I'll just arrest you right back.
What?
False arrest, being an who cares?
You stabbed your own team in the back! You fool!
Just like you stabbed me in the back. Taking my fans, my sponsors, my lucrative endorsement deals, my parking spurs.
You were my hero! Now, you're no better than
Dare you? I am way better looking than the
I'm taking you in. By force. You.
Oh, a widow wombat with a widow girl.
Oh. What? Stop! You don't want to do this!
Don't tell me what I want to do!
On your left, Ratchet. Now you're right.
Enough! Nefarious is tricking you. He wants you to die. Is that how you want to die?
Don't tell me what I want to do!
You will die.
It's in my